Himanshu saying, thanks, agree with your points. I am new trader trying to figure out my time frame. Have been studying market profile for last 2-3 months from Jim Dalton's book. Issue is I don't have any existing entry exit system, so trying to see if I can use VSA, VWAP based entry exit in intraday in my time frame. Absolutely you can, but what is your time frame? Like that is not yet clear, right? So you first need to identify your time frame, and then you can use VSA to fine tune your entries. If you are a completely intraday trader, then you can spend most of your time on VSA chart, but you need to again understand context is king here. Many traders, they say that I am an intraday trader, so I will not be too bothered about the long-term picture. Why do I have to look at it? I'll find my setups and patterns on shorter time frame chart and I'll make my money. Does not work like that. So what you need to do is, you first need to understand market profile clearly, the advanced technical analysis tools, and that will give you a strong foundation. Then when you are sure with your time frame, now many people ask me, how do I find my time frame? And there is absolutely no clear answer to that. How can I tell you what your time frame is? It's not astrological, right? I cannot look at your hand and say, okay, intraday trading is better for you. I cannot do that. So what do? I take the simpler and more harder approach of trying it out. You need to try it out, right? So you try out intraday trading for say 1 or 2 months. You try out short swing trading for a little longer time. Because say, if you are saying that I am going to be an investor, a lifetime is short to confirm that time frame, right? But if you want to be an intraday trader, you can do it in 1 or 2 months, because you will have ample amount of data, trades, analysis, journaling to tell you whether you are a good intraday trader or not, or you can be a good intraday trader or not. Time is an issue. Like if you are working 9 to 5, you cannot expect to be an intraday trader. It's foolish to expect to trade intraday unless and until you have full market hours. You can be in. You should not try to be an intraday trader. Okay, so short swing, maybe give it 3-4 months, because let's say you're taking weekly trades. In 4 months, say 4 weeks per month, you'll be able to take 16 trades. Or I'm not saying take actual trades, but you'll have 16 opportunities to analyze the market for a trade. So that way you'll have to develop a sense whether which time frame is suitable for you, and then you can use these principles. Absolutely, there is nothing wrong with that. Even on this longer time frame daily chart, which you are seeing right now, I have disabled the VSA signals because it clutters the chart a little bit, and I'm not exactly looking at VSA signals on longer time frame chart, but they also work. That is the beauty of VSA, because Wyckoff theories, they are so strong, and what Tom Williams did was he brought all those strong principles to intraday charts, and that is where the strength of Tom Williams VSA lies, right? But if you are studying it as a system and you are trying to understand every pattern, everything, you take my word, if you focus on context first, then the rest of the VSA journey will become very, very easy. VSA becomes extremely complicated and difficult to implement if you are just looking at VSA without first looking at the context. So I always say logic, context, timing, and the overall encompassing thing is risk. Start with logic, all the advanced technical analysis stuff, then go to context, market profile, volume profile, then go to timing, VSA and order flow, and choose your tools, and I think it should work for you.